Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tommytv. Today we're gonna make cookies. We're gonna be cooking in Daddy's truck. It's in this top. Here.
There you go. There we go.
Now good.
Now we're gonna cut the cookies open all the way. We're gonna place the cookies all nicely on here, okay?
Yeah.
Can you grab them nicely or are they sticky?
They're sticky. I got it.
There you go.
And put it in there.
Yeah, you put it on the edge, right on the edge. There you go. There's another one.
And where did it go?
Now put it beside it, but don't make them not touch. Okay, we're gonna bake them, and then we're gonna see if we can do more. Okay.
Okay.
All right, these are gonna go in the oven. Take 10 to 14 minutes. Okay, guys, we got the oven on already.
Yeah.
Yeah, I put the oven on. And take the cookies.
Yeah.
Put them into the oven. I'm gonna close the oven. Put a timer for about 12 minutes.
Little one.
And then
We're gonna make tiny ones. So yeah.
set it on there. And then they're gonna be baking. Guys, then we have some cold milk and then we're gonna eat some cookies.
And we're gonna eat them small.
Yeah, they're gonna be super duper yummy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's wait and see till they're done.
Yeah.
Look at our cookies. They're coming together. They're looking super delicious. Oh yeah, we're about to eat some nice cookies for night snack, right?
Yeah.
Too much playing dirt bike, bro.
That's funny.
Oh yeah, you think so? You think so? Huh? You think so? You think so? Huh? 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 You think so? Is that funny? Huh? Yeah? Still funny?
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
6.5 hours later.
Oh guys, look at that. You made these, Isaiah. Good job.
And we
Yeah.
gotta still make some more.
Yeah, we gotta put these on a plate and let these cool off. Then we're gonna bake those and then we're gonna eat these in the meantime, right?
Yeah, I mean we're gonna eat these.
Yeah, we're gonna eat these tomorrow. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright, let's test these out. There are the cookies. Ooh, that looks yummy, right? Yeah, now we put these on here. We're gonna bake these and then we're gonna try those with some nice cold milk, right?
Yeah, we can dip them in there.
Dip them in milk? Are you crazy, man?
Yeah, yesterday I have M&M's candy, the like cookies, and I just dip in their milk.
You dipped it in the milk? That was yummy?
Yeah, yesterday in my home.
And that was super delicious?
Yeah, I did. My mommy's home.
Yeah, I saw the picture. Was it cool?
Yeah, I did. It was funny. That's yum.
I'm gonna put a lid on it. Yeah, now we got it in a cup. And then we're gonna drink some milk.
Yeah.
And eat some cookies. Mmm, that's gonna be delicious. Do you think that's some pretty good milk?
Yeah. That's pretty good.
Okay, now try a piece of the cookie. Let me know what you think.
Good.
Yeah? Tastes good? We did a good job? You did a good job? Okay, now Daddy wants to try one too. Oh, they're still a bit. I think we should have cooked them a little bit longer.
Yeah.
Mmm. They're super duper good.
Yeah. It's super duper good.
Mmm.
That's how we get fresh cookies.
Cookies. Mmm. This milk is good too. Mmm. And try it.
Yeah.
With milk, careful.
Good.
Mmm. Lindo.
Lindo.
Mmm. Mmm. Lindo.
Lindo. Lindo. Lindo.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, guys. Thanks for watching our video.
Thanks for watching video, guys.
Well, you should finish your mouth first. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Thank you for watching video, guys. Just subscribe.
Subscribe and press like, right?
Yeah.
Or you're gonna eat all of their cookies, right? Yeah, we're gonna eat your cookies if you don't like and subscribe, right? Okay, say bye.
Bye-bye.